Many people know about finding and replacing text, but do not know they can do it for formatting as well. Let's say you're told to use a different simple headers to something simple, for example. Let's take away the background color and add a thicker bottom border here. So this is what they want. The quick way to do this is go to Find and Replace. Use the shortcut key Ctrl-H. Let me take this to one side. Click on Option. Don't type anything here. Instead, go to Format. Choose Format from Cell. This is the format that we want to switch. The one that we want is this one right here. Now there is something that you need to be aware of, because this is a little bit sneaky. When you select the cell, it picks all the formatting. If the text alignment, for example, for here is center, then this fixes it to center as well. So if I go to Format, we can see under Alignment. It's been fixed to center, so it will not be replacing any headers that look identical to this, but the text might be left aligned or right aligned if you want to make sure that this is more flexible and it doesn't care about text alignment. You can clear that from here. Let's click on OK, and when I'm replacing it, I am going to go to Format as well and clear this as well. If you want to apply it to all your workbook, go to Within, switch it to Workbook because you want this to apply to every single sheet and go with Replace All. And everything should be replaced, as you can see. That's it.